Welcome to Maison Ateeq. Every piece of silverware you see here has been carefully curated from antique collections across Europe. Today's recipe is both simple and sophisticated. We're making a dessert that blends the earthy richness of matcha with the tropical creaminess of coconut. Matcha coconut affogato. Let's begin with the heart of this recipe. Homemade coconut milk ice cream. First, we add a spoonful of coconut flour to bring light structure and a soft, delicate body. Then come finely grated coconut shreds. The fresher, the better. Next, we use a real vanilla bean, split and scraped, to add a warm, floral aroma that only true vanilla can provide. Now it's time for the thick coconut milk, rich, creamy, and full-bodied, the soul of our coconut ice. A small pinch of sea salt follows, balancing the sweetness and enhancing the flavors. Then we pour in the lighter coconut milk, smooth and pourable, to give it just the right consistency. And finally, we finish with sweetened coconut condensed milk, velvety, vegan, and indulgent. All the ingredient amounts are shown next. We combine all the ingredients in a saucepan and heat gently, but never let it boil. Just enough to blend the flavors and awaken the vanilla. The aroma at this stage is already pure comfort. Once warmed through, remove from heat and pour into your preferred mold or bowl. For serving, we use vintage silver dessert cups from Maison Ateeq. Timeless, elegant, and just the right size. Then freeze for at least 3 hours. Now comes the moment of magic, the matcha pour. Freshly whisked matcha, bold, slightly bitter, almost nutty, is gently poured over the cold, creamy coconut ice. And when served in vintage silver from Maison Ateeq, it becomes more than just a dessert. It's a culinary moment, a blend of cultures, a quiet tea ceremony and a tropical dream. If you'd like to try this at home, the full recipe is on our YouTube channel. And if you're drawn to vintage beauty and the charm of timeless tableware, feel free to explore our collection at maisonateeq.com. We ship worldwide, from Zurich with love. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon for another sweet moment at Maison Ateeq.